girls, I'm Krina. We all go through that time of the month where menstrual cramps are unbearable and no chocolate or hot water bag can do anything for us. Today I'm here with 5 very easy yoga poses to ease menstrual cramps. So without further ado, let's get started. Lie on your belly with your hands on your sides. Bend your knees, reach back and take a hold of your ankles. Take a deep breath in and pull your torso up and your thighs away from the floor. Press your shoulder blades inwards and gaze forward. You will feel a stretch in your hip flexors. Place your hands under your shoulders and your elbows to your chest. Do not tuck your toes inwards and keep the tops of your feet on the mat. Inhale as you lift your head and chest off the floor. Draw your shoulders back but do not crunch your neck. Stay in this position for 20 to 30 seconds and release as you exhale. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Bend the right knee inwards so your foot touches your inner thigh. Fold over your leg and try to touch your ankles. Breathe slowly for a few minutes and repeat the same on your right leg. This will stretch out your spine and the back of your thighs. Start by kneeling up with your body and spine straight. Bend backwards and place your hands on your heels. Your stomach and chest muscles will stretch out completely. Your uterus muscles will feel the pull, which will help bring the contractions to an end. Sit with your left knee bent and your right leg extended straight behind your body. Put your hands straight over your head and allow your torso to elongate. Hold here for 5 breaths and then repeat it on the other side. And that's it. Practice this routine for a pain-free period every single month. Stay tuned for more fitness videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time, bye!